Hello friends, today we will learn about ampicillin. This is a topic we will cover in this video. Hello friends, today we will learn about ampicillin. Ampicillin is an antimicrobial drug. So let's begin. Antibiotics are the small molecular weight substances of secondary metabolites produced by one group of microorganisms used to kill or check the growth of other microorganisms. These are of two types, such as broad spectrum and narrow spectrum. These are categorized into several groups based upon their structure, mode of action. Among these categories, ampicillin is one of the important antibiotics that have been used extensively to treat against microbial infections. Ampicillin is a beta-lactam antibiotic having formula C16, H19, N3O4S and molecular mass of 406 gram per mole. It is administered mainly by oral and intravenous method. However, 15% to 25% plays its role against the microbial infection and rest goes out through our excreta. Now let's know about the mechanism of action. All beta-lactam antibiotics interfere with bacterial cell wall synthesis. Bacterial cell wall is a highly cross-linked peptidoglycan, that means cross-link between NAM and NAG, which is maintained by the enzymes like transpeptidases and carboxypeptidases. Beta-lactam antibiotics bind to such penicillin binding proteins so that cross-linking falls. Thus, so formed cell wall deficient structure starts swelling and burst, ultimately causing cell lysis. Belonging to the penicillin group of beta-lactam antibiotics, penicillin is able to penetrate gram-positive and some gram-negative bacteria. It differs from penicillin only by the presence of amino group. The amino group helps the drug penetrate the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria. Ampicillin acts as a competitive inhibitor of the enzyme transpeptidase. Now let's study about the uses. Ampicillin is used to treat urinary tract infections, Haemophilus influenza, salmonellosis, and Listeria meningitis. Now next uses. It is used. Second point is it is used to fluoxacillin, fluoxa, fluco, flucloxacillin in the combination antibiotic cofluampicillin for empiric treatment of cellulitis. Third point is it provides cover against group of streptococcal infection, whilst the flucloxacillin acts against the Staphylococcus aureus bacterium. Of concern is number of bacteria that become resistant to ampicillin, necessitating combination therapy or use of other antibiotics. It is employed in treating respiratory tract infection such as otitis media, uncomplicated community acquired pneumonia, bronchitis, sinusitis. Fifth point is bacillary dysentery, cholecystitis, whooping cough, gonorrhea, typhoid fever, septicemia, and bacterial endocarditis can also be treated with ampicillin. Now let's know about the use in research. Ampicillin is often used in molecular biology as a test for the uptake of genes, example by plasmids, by bacteria, Example, E. coli, a gene that is to be inserted into the bacterium is coupled to a gene coding for an ampicillin resistance. That means in E. coli, usually the BLA gene coding for beta lactamase. The treated bacteria are then grown on a medium containing ampicillin. Only the bacteria that successfully take up the desired genes become resistant and therefore contain the other desired gene as well. Now let's know about the adverse effect. Diarrhea is frequent, often oral administration of ampicillin. Second point is Second adverse effect is it produces rashes in patients suffering from AIDS and EB viral infection. Now let's study about drug interaction. Hydrocortisone inactivates ampicillin if mixed with it in IV solution. Second point is ampicillin cause failure of oral contraceptives. Third point, probionocytes retards renal excretion of ampicillin. Finally, ampicillin is finished. Ampicillin is a vast topic. It's not it's not possible to tell all the things about ampicillin. In this video, I have covered just little idea about ampicillin. So, any questions regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box and subscribe my channel to know more updates, more topics about biotechnology. Thank you.